Hello kids, welcome to phonics class. Today we are learning rhyming words with at sound. Today we are learning rhyming words with at sound. Kids must remember that earlier in our previous video we learned about two letter sounds like for example ba, be, ka, ke, da, de. So now with the help of that sound we make three letter words like rhyming words which we are learning today. So let's start and recall with me. Ha at hat. The first one is ha at hat. Now ha we have learned earlier. Ha hat hat. Ha hat hat. Ha at hat. Next is ba at bat. Ba bat bat. Ba bat bat. The next is fat. Fa at fat. Fa at fat. Fa fat fat. Fa fat fat. The next is ka at cat. Ka at cat. Ka at cat. Ka cat cat. Ka cat cat. The next is rat. Ra at rat. Ra at rat. Ra rat rat. Ra rat rat. The last is ma at mat. Ma mat mat. Ma mat mat. Ma at mat. Now again recall with me. Ha at hat. Ba at bat. Fa at fat. Ka at cat. Ra at rat. Ma at mat. Wow, very good.